is a Glitz acrylic brush. Hello everyone, thank you so much. Hi Mika, thank you Mika for pinning a code. For posting the code. And I'm gonna do it just about 50 or 60%. You can do it half nails, a really thin coat. Okay. And keep your brush really flat, like a parallels with the nails. And it blend it down. Really soft look. Add a little bit more. And then we'll let it set, and I am going to using the colors number 19. It's light nude. Right here. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. So for all beginners, really cool tip and tricks. I'm gonna pick a smaller beads first and place it right above of number 20th Pixie and blend it, just so then we can get the beautiful ombre first, and using the tip and whole entire belly of the bristle and gently blend it down. Okay, thanks so much everyone. And the second beads, we're going to pick smaller beads, and we are going to place this right close to the cuticle, about like just a hair away from the cuticles area. And you are going to tuck it in. Make sure every time you are going to clean your brush. And use a bristle, the tip, the body, the belly of the bristle, and then you are going to blend that parts down. Make sure you taper inside. And going to one more. And now if you want to add any glitter on, you absolutely can. If you don't want to, you can cap it absolutely with crystal clear. But maybe I can put some of my cute glitters on. I might do my little super adorable little butterflies, just a little bit. And with this one, we're gonna leave it like you can add the glitters on it. You know what? I have the fine eye sheet. I'm gonna take that. Stuck. You know where's I get the fine eye sheet? Well, you can get it from the official website, but you are getting this fine eye sheets, a whole pack of fine eye sheets from the subscription box. All right. Hold on, did I miss a comment from someone?
Everybody's saying hi.
And whoever was asking about putting the stuff in the nail. I have fine knife sheet. Let me show you which one I'm using. Right here is from the subscription box. I cut it yesterday. If you see me doing with the live video, sorry I was quiet putting this one on. Happy with this. We're going to cap it with the crystal clear. And place it completely on the nails. Till the nail down. And using the belly of the bristle and blend your crystal clear. Great, so we're gonna let it set and we're gonna move on to the next one, okay? Let it dry and we'll shape it later. I think I like that even itself. All right, so let's move on to the next one.